Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look bright and sunny by using the CapCut color grading. So here I've already opened the CapCut apps and import a video. What you need to do is just go straight to adjust and follow my settings. So for the saturation, for the sharpness, increase it to 16 and brilliance 13, and in here click on the adjust cell, and for the orange color lower the hue to -23 and the saturation increase it to 60. On the yellow, saturation 24, green saturation 60, and the lightness lower it to -20. Now click on the blue color and set the saturations to 80 and the lightness -20. Okay, now you can just go back and lastly add highlight to shadow to 40. Okay, and after that you are done. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe and click on the thanks button. Bye.